Oh my god, look, I just bought this. Just go right. I spent a lot of money for this. They come with this. Yes, this is like an unboxing. Yes, I'm going to review this. Yes, you don't have to ask me. Yes, this is my first digital pen, bruh. I just buy it. And yeah, let me can hand. Oh yeah, it's got free glove. Yay! That's good, right? But my hand too small, and this glove's too big. Free battery, no battery here. Extra need more bait, the cable, the manual. Let's open that later. And instruction for the manual. Well, I'm really happy by this. Okay, maybe if you want to see my review. By the way, it's not sponsor, but if they want to sponsor me, that's going to be perfectly fine because I'm really poor. I need money, and that's it. Okay.